Hi everyone, if you are studying computer architecture and then SMPCache is your necessary software, this is actually a simulator for cache memory system on semantic microprocessor, and in this video I will show you how you can download and install SMPCache on your Windows PC. So do not let further and check out today's video. So I have added this link in the description. You can just go to my description and go to this URL, this arco.unix.ac/smpcache. So here you can see all the documentation and everything, and this is the official website of this website, and here you can see this book is a necessary implementation book for students of computer organization and architecture. So here is all the details have been given, what you need, what is necessary and everything, all the specification, everything you can just check from this website. And below, if you come here, you can see the legit way how to download this software. There is no download links available in this website. The only process is you need to mail the developer of this website, I mean this software, and then they will reply back with the software link. Here you can see the process here. In order to obtain the SMPCache, step as follow. So you need to download this file by clicking here. This is a PDF file, and you need to fill this up, fill it and sign it and seal it, and then you need to send this file to this email address, and in few days they will receive this email and send you a download link for this software. But you do not need to wait that much time. In this video description I have added another link for downloading this software. You can get a file like this, install SMPCache. This is the official download file, and you will not find this on internet, so you need to download from my link, because this is the official website and there is no download link. The only way to download this, but one thing to consider, that if you want a genuine license from this for this website, I mean if you are going to use it for your institute or any other things, then you should mail them and get this license with the software. So this is recommended. If you can wait, or if you don't want to wait, then you can just use this for your personal use. But if you want to use this on any institute, then you should fill this form and send it to this email address and download this file. So I will show you the installation process, how you can download and install this. So after downloading this from the given link in my description, you will get something like this zip file. So you can just extract this using any software. Here I am using the WinZip, so I just open this. So you will get a folder like this one. Here you can see the install SMPCache. So when you double click on this, there will be two files. One is the file setup files and another folder. So you need to install this one first. This is the .native setup for your Windows. Most of the PC have this pre-installed, so no need to do this, but you can just have a try. Just open this folder and double click here, and if you see a pop-up like this, and it will automatically do nothing, no need to click anything. This is actually a driver for your PC. So after installing this, it will automatically install in the background. You do not need to do anything. Then go back and then again go to the setup folder and double click here. And if you see some error while installing this, you can see my install have been started. But if you see some installation error, then you might need to upgrade your Microsoft.NET framework. You can just update using your internet connection on your PC. So here you can see my installation have been started, so I just click OK using the English language. I'm going to use the English language. You can also get this in Spanish language, but I will use the English language. Then I just click OK. Now the main installation window have been started. So from here you need to click on install, and then from here you need to choose your folder where the software will be installed. You can see this is going to install on my C folder, so that's okay, the default location. Then I click on next, and then I will use the complete installation. You can also do a customization, but I will recommend the complete installation. And then click next, and then click on install. click on finish and I close this window. Now you can see there is an icon, the SMPCache, on my desktop. So I can just now double click on this software and open this one. So I will show you how the software look like inside. That's it. Now you can see our SMPCache have been successfully installed on our PC. So this was the tutorial how you can install this SMPCache on your Windows device. So I hope you learned something new, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.